Hello. Hey everyone, my name is Kydor. I'm working on a 2D game engine with the Julia programming language called JewelGame. And today I am working on a game, continuing the work from the last stream. And right now I'm doing a little refactor, so no functionality changes right now, but hopefully I can get through it fast and start updating some functionality. From last time, there's mouse controls. You can actually use like a gamepad on it. It's kind of jank right now, but I can move the gamepad around and select things. Alright. There's some sound effects. I guess the sound effect was already there, but the sound effect of when like a match happens. My favorite thing is the mouse control, so I can, click something. If I don't want to select anything, I can right click. Or if I want to cancel my selection, I can right click. But if I'm trying to switch, I can only go horizontal or vertical. Cancel with right click or clicking the same item I started from. Okay, that's where I'm at. But right now I'm going to do some refactoring. Let me increase the window, start over. We can keep that pen because we will be using that. Okay, so we have our game manager. We have a battle manager. And we have an input handler. Essentially what I'm trying to do is put everything, all the code so far in its rightful place. So my game manager has a function called refill board, where it's, filling the board and it's doing all this functionality inside of the game manager. And then we also have place items function that's placing the items on the board. We might even have our board state in here, or a grid. And we have a function to place an individual item. And then we have information in here that really needs to live in the grid controller. And functions as well. What we're going to do is I kind of wrote out some not even pseudocode, high level stuff we want. So first, if we're in our player turn stage, I guess we need to have control over the turn, and then so I need to allow input handler to run freely in the state of us making a move selection, so switching something on the board. Then the player can make a switch, and that's when we're going to hand functionality off to the grid controller. Player can re-roll. That's going to be the input handler. There's probably going to be, or I guess that would be the queue manager that would handle the functionality of that. Re-rolls. View. Player predicts the result of a move. That's probably queue manager 2, and then player pulls a single item from the queue. That's that's going to be input and queue manager. Then we're going to do our match search, which needs to be in our grid controller, which I think that already is. So if we match, we loop match search until there are no matches, no more matches, or player runs out of consecutive matches, because the player is going to have a stat that's basically going to say how many consecutive matches can I make in like one move, so we're not just super overpowered. Then when the player runs out of energy, in the the battle manager, oh wait, that's not, shouldn't be in there. Player chooses target. Oh yeah. No, that makes sense. So the player's gonna build up all of their stats or their move or whatever, and then they're gonna be able to choose a target. So this is the function that I think this is the functionality I want to get to if we can get this refactor done in this stream. Or actually shields first. So I'm trying to have the game manager be the single. The game manager needs to be the single source of truth for this. So everything gets called out from the game manager, and the game loop should be easily readable from this, because right now it's very hard to follow for me, and I'm the one who's written all the code. So I need to get this in order before I continue. Which shouldn't take long, but just trying to gather my thoughts before I really get into it. So let's start with the input handler, since that'll be the easiest. What do we need from the input handler? So the input handler initializes, and then in its update, we do this if it's not bad states, whatever. So basically this needs to be moved. This needs to be moved in here. Basically, I'm trying to remove the update functions from 20 different files. Not really, like 6 different files, and have them all in here so I can like easily follow this. So this needs to move in here. So we'll say if this battle manager got current state. So we'll say so now we'll say if it's equal to that, then where this menu is. Wait. Oh, this will have to be and this menu is not equal to paused. And then we need to make sure we have a reference to the pause menu. And actually, this should be, all of these are in the same parent, so and we'll just add that pause menu. Then I think we can just remove it now. Yeah, we can remove pause menu from here. So the idea is to clean up these scripts so we're not using update in the scripts themselves unless really necessary. So then I'm not clicking from file to file to understand the flow. So now we can move handle crosshair into this. So we will need to do this, which is something I want to fix so bad, but not for this yet. Do you have to qualify it? input handler module. Dot handle crosshair, and then we'll need to pass in the input handler, which I don't think we have a reference to. Which I think is the script number 2. Yeah, I don't think we actually reference it anywhere. So we'll have to... That should be script 2. And then we'll pass in that. And I think that should work. I'm gonna incrementally commit this, I think. So every time I move some code, okay. Every time I move some code and it works, I'm just gonna update or commit it. What's up, Teep Site? How you doing, little guy? Okay, so it seems to be working. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna commit that. So just moved. Okay, cool. That was easy. Oh, bro's making a game. Yes, sir. That's what I've been doing, buddy. Just at the beginning stages of it. Right now I'm just like rewriting my code, trying to make it cleaner, less messy. Okay. So if we're in that state and we're not paused, this probably is going to be moved out, I would think. But I'm not worried about that right now. Okay. So we got input handler, I think, good. I feel like this function set grid items to switch shouldn't be in here, but I guess we'll see. Okay. Place item. Okay, so this pause when you paused. So I'm trying to think what I should move next. I mean, it's either this is new functionality. So it's got to be the switching. Game manager, grid pieces. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do grid controller because I'm gonna need to move all these functions into that. So grid pieces, remove grid pieces, grid controller. Okay, so let's just start with moving these variables because that'll be easiest, and then I can control F it. Grid. Okay, so let's move the grid controller over here. First position. Game manager. Grid. Okay, so let's do this. We'll do a control. We're just simply going to move these first. So we'll do a control H. And then we'll do just this dot grid pieces. And then we'll have to move that into the initialize of this. Like stop using the word board and grid interchangeably. Let's just do a control shift F, I guess, because there's a lot of board uses of the word board. I'm trying to get that out of the vocab right now. Yeah. Make sure there's no capital B. Oops. Okay. All right. This one's gonna be a big change, but I want to get it working before I do any commits here. So okay. So we move that initialize function. For initialization. So grid pieces. For now, what we'll do. This dot grid pieces. We'll do control shift H or control H. This dot grid. Yeah. Oops, what did I do? Did I get the grid? I did not get the initialization of the grid variable. Alright, we're gonna have to go back just a little bit. Oh wait. It was in the initialize function, not the constructor. Okay. Grid width, grid height. Brother. Alright. We make the grid pieces, then the grid. Okay. I don't know why I didn't just grab it all at once. This queue manager. This persistent state manager. Hopefully this doesn't mess up initialization orders. This grid. Grid pieces. Okay, there's only this in here. which we can just move, right? My gosh, this is gonna take me so long to figure out. Let's just delete that code for now because I don't think I'm gonna come back for that for a while. And this can come out. Refill grid. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Grid, removed grid pieces. Almost everything should be. Game manager upgrade should be. And make sure we have a grid controller in here. We do. Okay, so all the references like that should be good. I think we just need to update the function calls, make sure it works the same. Game manager. After we have the grid, then we do place items. Okay. It's gonna break, but we'll see where. Oh boy. Probably like an undefined rough error. All right, I'm just gonna have to be pretty fast, and as soon as I open that scene, then close it so I can see the error. What we got right now. No field, remove grid pieces. Oh, that is an easier error. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to do it again to see the next error. I was not locked in. Oh, duh. I didn't create these new create references for these new fields. Or create the new fields actually at all. Queue manager and persistent state manager. Oh shoot. This is in the that should be in the initialize function. Alright, let's see. Should be pretty close now. And then once we're there with that, then we can move the functionality into the update functionality into the game manager. Type grid controller has no field user. Oh shoot. User none. Oh. I have to make sure I remove. Make sure I remove any unused references now. Actually, let's do everything first and then remove what isn't even used anymore. Getting closer. Getting closer. Hopefully we got the whole error. Okay. Grid controller has no field grid controller. That is true. Wait, I should probably type in this. Yeah, that should just be this, right? Yeah, that should just be this. Then, hopefully we're working again, and then we can move our update logic. Alright, let's see if we're working again. Nope. Okay. Undefined variable error input handle. Huh? Okay. Weird. What did I do there? Yeah, that's very weird that only these are not right. Don't have the this beginning and the other ones do. I got that one much faster, so. Yeah. Huh? Didn't I already do that? Bro. That one I caught fast. What do you mean? I swear I just searched it. Oh, it's this grid controller. Wait. Type grid controller has no field grid controller. And that's taking me to 203. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, I messed something up real bad here. First position. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's move that then into the grid controller. Wait. So we need to just append that in the grid module. Did Twitch just play a 3-minute ad? What? Okay, whatever. Alright, now we should be good, I think. Oh wait, this doesn't need to be passed. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. I'm an idiot. It does. I thought it was just passing grid pieces with everything. Okay. Or I could pass the X and the Y, but I'm not doing it. Let us test it. Gotcha. Undefined ref error. This dot removed grid pieces. I just came up with an idea for Google Game. After all scripts are okay. Bro. Refill grid. Okay. No, I did not save the grid controller. Why do I have it open in two different windows? Wait. Oh, bro. Okay. Now should it work? I think it should work. I hope it should work. I hope it works. Uh-oh. I think my computer froze. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Can't do anything. Yeah, something's going on with my PC. Jeez. Oh my god. Alright, now I gotta rerun it and hope that doesn't happen again. I'm gonna be able to cancel it as soon as it happens. Okay, it's like locking up my PC. What is happening? Like, how can I freaking debug that? I say, how can I debug that? I don't know. I think I can actually debug it, so. Hopefully. Okay, we are actually at a breakpoint. I forgot I had breakpoints here. Wait, no, we want that. Okay. Oh, brother. All right, let's try it now. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, let's save it. We're committed, I guess. Okay, so now we have our stuff moved in our code, most of it moved into grid controller. But now I want to get this update. That's my input handler. I need to just close that. My update for this needs to go. All right, so let's create a function. Our grid pieces reset are. Sounds weird. Wait. After reading it, say thinking about it like 20 times. Okay, our grid pieces reset. So we'll have to call that function. Grid control model. Pieces are set. There's the grid controller. Okay. So then take that out. Now we can take this code out. Alright. And then we'll make it an else if. Think. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens if I just move that. I think it should function the same because those don't seem to interact. Falling pieces. Oh. Oh, duh. I need to move this back into a function then. This falling pieces equal boom, boom, boom. Check for falling pieces to continue matching this. Okay. Now that should work. Bro. Game manager has no field falling pieces. Didn't I remove it? Oh. This dot grid controller. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. All right, so now we have in. Okay, so this is getting easier to follow. We have this, our grid piece reset. If we're in player turn, we can handle in crosshair. If we're in replace items and grid pieces, our grid pieces reset, then we'll continue to check for fallen pieces. We continue matching. So this is switching needs to become a state. So then we have switching item state, and then instead of this, okay, it's only, okay, it's actually used in another file, so we'll have to get rid of that, get rid of that. Do this. Hmm. This one's gonna be a problem. Okay. Yeah, this one's taking way pretty long. Brother. Why does Twitch keep playing ads? I'm not even asking for it. Um. Battle manager. Items. Okay. This is a necessary evil here. Kind of crappy, but I think I'm just gonna put this in a function here. One function, but it's still better than before. Function. Right? Actually, I don't think that's right, but okay. Um. say and switch, I guess. For lack of better words. Oh wait, I'm dumb. This is what goes in there. Right, yeah. This should be this shouldn't even be a function like that. But actually, I guess we could probably just keep it a function and then put it in the right now. This should live in there. We can just read it from that function. Right? I need to see why we're doing start turn in here. I feel like that should be moved out. Let's see. Yeah. I don't like that. If that's in there, I don't think that should be in the game manager, I think. I mean, I know. I guess I'm right. So. Oh, duh, is switching. Shoot. Yeah, I think I just removed that. Okay, cool. I like that. Um, so now what we need to do, figure out where to put this player process turn, right? So we need an event after the grid items. I think we literally can just add an if now in here and say, if we're out of turns, then we process. Hmm. Need a state for searching for matches. Okay, so we're back at player turn. So we see where we set it again. Oh, it's got to be here that's doing that. Okay, I'll move that into one function. I don't know why that was in two. All right. Move the. I think we can easily move that in here. We'll see. All right, gonna cut the stream soon. Oh, this is a pain. I did not get as far as I thought I was going to get. Whoa. Why do I have that in there twice? Oops. We're stuck in state 3. Oh duh, we don't have like an exit for that. Oops. Like that, I think. And we should be back. And then I'm gonna cut it after this, I think. I think this is a lot better, but it still needs some work. Organization-wise, but becoming more readable, and hopefully I get the core logic centralized to be like dispatched from here and not everything else. I think I got the updates, probably the most important part, removed. No update there. Update there. No update there. Beast still has an update. That might be fine since there's like a million pieces and they're not like 4 logic holders, but we'll see. Update from there. This is fine. There's no update, or there's no update there. View manager. No update here. Anyways. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut it there. So, and then I'll probably do a little bit more